Okay. So, synchronous class na kita because of the heat index. So, chapter 3 will be talking about lipids. So, as you can see, yan na akong gipasa iyo. LPs and badagihapon part ha internet. You can see that the definition of your lipid stems from its solubility. So, kaya naman, kay timo lipid kasi, it function niya mismo aton lawas, kung baga animal kingdom, is usually na-interact with proteins. Proteins nimo as a building structure, pwede kaya piya, even your cell has a lipid layer nga with imo kanang proteinous material imo kanang cell. So we're just made of cell. So basically nakaka-interact itiya both with water and your any other substances, even amino acids and proteins, because of its polarity. Sa solubility, polarity, medyo damo ito ang mga terms nga da. Solubility, pagkatunaw, polarity, and imo molecule nga may da negative and positive side nga nakikita. Okay? So, as you can see, solubility, lipids are marginally soluble, marginally kuti ay daw la, pero at best in water but readily soluble ha imo mga natutunaw hira or na-interact hira natutunaw ha imo mga organic solvents. Ay mga organic solvents, mga alkanes actually. Alkanes, mga gasolina, tutunaw tira, mga oil to oil. Even iton imo, I think your oil nga adat imo harang, mas mo pa talaga ginluluto hiya nga adat harang, ang adaton oil para na i-extract hiya sa amo tiya, because again your oils or lipids in general are soluble, non-soluble with non-polar substances, with polar substances, but with non-polar substances, so it can be soluble. Sa soluble water, marginally laya gamay. So it's because of the structure. Usually imo structure kasi may part it niya nga polar pero durda mo it part nga non-polar iti mo lipids. Okay? So there are two groupings of lipids. One group is fatty acids, triacylglycerols, phingolipids, phosphoacylglycerols, and glycolipids. Usually mga open chain, meaning diri na sarado ang mga carbon chain. We call it an open chain. And then the second major group consists of a fused ring. So usually mga ring, you're talking about cyclic compounds or mga benzene rings. Okay? So they are called steroids, liwat ang second class. So ano pa, and then you have the term amphipathic, refers to a molecule that has one end polar, meaning ito sa niya nga part is natutunaw na tubig or naupo na tubig, and the other part is non-polar. Amo ito itong sabon, effective aton kay polar hiya, in the sense nga naupo diya tubig, iba nawawash siya naton tubig, pero non-polar hiya nga iton aton mga dirt, mga hugaw-hugaw, even mga oil ha aton nawong ha aton panit, natatanggal niya because it has a non-polar or water-soluble and water non-soluble nga side. So amo tiya naupo diya tubig pero may part niya nga nadikita tubig. Kita niyo? So pagyan nalutaw. Nalutaw ang tubig. May part niya nga na dikit, may part niya diri. So we call that amphipathic. So animo ito, polar part is the hydrocarboxyl group. Carboxyl group is kita functional group, that is a COOH. That is carbon double bonded to oxygen. We call it carbonyl. And then may niya part nga alcohol, OH. Ito COH. The whole of it is carboxyl group. It is a polar group, pero usually imo mga imo mga oils, lipids is go to elat yang part. Okay? That's what makes it amphipathic, meaning may dual niya nga nature. Ang hydrocarbon tail, yung sa amit siglaba, labi na mga fatty acids, is hydrophobic, na rin tubig. Okay, amit part niya nga paging amphipathic, may part niya nga nakaruyag, hydrophilic, may part nga hydrophobic, just like your amino acids. Ang imo amin is amphitryon acid and base. But anyway, similar. Amphipathic is hydrophobic and hydrophilic, deuterium is acidic and basic. Okay, pareho. Yan, kita lahat mga terms, mga common tira. Then you have the term saturated and unsaturated. For saturated, it pertains to mga single bonds. While unsaturated, it pertains to the double bonds, usually mga paghimong plastic, usually, or bisan mo mga natural polymers, makikita natin explanation ng polymerization is may mo part nga nasa nga. Okay, so ibig sabihin kung may mo carbon to carbon double bond, common it dida magpa-react tapos maghimuin sa ngahing carbon. Okay? So ito nga mga usually nagkakamay-adahin pag siya nga, we call them unsaturated because ito nga presence of double bonds or probably triple bonds. While saturated, meaning proper saturated nga mga kalamansi juice, meaning di na kita, or saturated din asukar, meaning sakto nat kada mo iya asukar nga di ka na makakatunaw pa hin asukar. So proper iya sense iton single bonds. Pag single bonds ka na, diri ka na makaka-chain along itiya lawas because it's already saturated, meaning mga single bond na layer. So, and then you have the term cis and trans. It is usually pertaining hanimo mga isomerisms sa stereochem nga naka-cyclic. Ano mo mga cyclic compounds, so definitely mag-expect kayo mga cyclic compounds din. Usually, itong ira ito, isomerisms is, it's either you will project them looking at the top and looking at down. Diba? Kung mayroon natin cyclic compounds, usually they are visualized as an era plane is somewhat on our eyes. And then those that are considered at the top and those that are considered down is gin-categorize sila. So, kung ano mo, duha nga group nga era gin-pertains or gin-mean is pareho at top, we call them cis. While kung magbalik taran sa ato top is ato ubos, we call them trans. Okay? And then we also have the notation for number of saturation. 18-0 meaning 18 carbon with 0 double bonds. While 18-1 is 18 carbon with one double bond. So, meaning unsaturated iya. Okay, ito ang mga term. So, unsaturated fatty acids have lower melting points. Pag lower melting points and unsaturated fatty acids have lower melting point, meaning madagmit hira matunaw. Lower melting point. Madagmit hira matunaw ang mga unsat. Okay? Than saturated ones. Plant oils are liquid at room temperature because they have higher proportion of unsaturated. So, ang mga oil, they have higher proportion of unsaturated fatty acids than do animal fats. So that's why an animal fat nimo na curdle or nakataba-taba, di ba? Na solidify because higher proportion of unsaturated fatty acids kaysa iton mga animal fats. Sa mga animal fats, more iton mga saturated. Ani mo mga tanom-tanom, mas itaas at imo unsaturated. So, 8 minutes, I'll cut this. Okay.